Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Skips Garage Personalized Multicolor is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching accessories you can add to your vehicle, offering a unique way to express your personality and style through a spectrum of vibrant colors that can be customized to your exact preferences, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their car's aesthetic appeal and turn heads wherever they go. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Toy Keys and Cars Wooden Rescue Vehicles and Garage. Introducing a fun and engaging toy set designed for little adventurers. It features a colorful garage with special keys to unlock the doors. Inside, you'll find 3 exciting wooden rescue vehicles, a fire engine, an ambulance, and a police car. They are ready for any mission. Use the color-coded keys to unlock the garage doors and slide them open. Then, press the lever to release the vehicles for exciting play. This toy is perfect for developing fine motor skills. It encourages children to use their hands and minds in a fun, interactive way. Spark your child's imagination with endless play possibilities. They can create their own rescue stories and scenarios. Ideal for hands-on, screen-free playtime, this set makes a wonderful gift for preschoolers aged 3 to 5. What we like. This toy features color-coded keys and pullback vehicles for interactive fun. If you are looking for a toy that helps develop fine motor skills and encourages imaginative play, this is a great choice for preschoolers. It's perfect for hands-on, screen-free entertainment. What people say. The multicolor design is vibrant and eye-catching. The personalized text is clear and well applied. It's a great conversation starter and adds a unique touch to the garage. Number 4. Guardian Parking Stop Rubber Curb. Introducing the Guardian Parking Stop, your reliable solution for defining parking areas. It helps prevent accidental vehicle rollovers, providing a clear boundary for garages, driveways, and parking lots. Crafted from 100% recycled rubber, this parking curb is engineered to handle harsh conditions. It resists sun, rain, snow, oil, gas, and extreme temperatures for year-round performance. Designed for flexibility, it can be used as a portable parking aid or mounted permanently. This makes it adaptable to your specific needs. Equipped with bold, reflective yellow stripes, it stands out in daylight and low-light settings. This improves driver awareness and pedestrian safety in parking areas. Unlike traditional concrete stops, its flexible rubber material conforms to uneven terrain. This ensures a stable, secure fit that won't crack or crumble over time. What we like. This product offers reliable parking control with high visibility stripes and all-weather performance. If you need a durable and safe solution to define parking areas in driveways or job sites, this is ideal. Its flexible rubber construction adapts to various surfaces, ensuring a secure fit. What people say. The multicolor design is vibrant and eye-catching. The personalized aspect makes it a unique gift. It's a great addition to any garage decor. Number 3. 100 Pieces Toy Gems Pirate Treasure Jewels. Get ready for an epic adventure with our treasure jewels. Perfect for your next pirate-themed party, these gems will add a splash of fun and excitement to any celebration. With 100 pieces in every set, you'll have more than enough to fill treat bags, create dazzling decorations, and ensure every guest goes home with a piece of the treasure. Discover a variety of shapes, from classic rounds to charming hearts and more. Each gem is colorful and lifelike, promising a truly immersive and fun party experience. These versatile gems are perfect for decorations, stage props, role-playing, and even as rewards. They make fantastic gifts for birthdays, holidays, and classroom achievements. Crafted from durable plastic and resin, these colorful gems are designed to last. They measure approximately 2 to 3 centimeters and maintain their shine, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. Elevate your pirate adventure with these vibrant and engaging treasure jewels. They are the perfect addition to any party, creating unforgettable memories for all. What we like. You get 100 pieces in 8 different shapes, offering a vibrant and realistic treasure trove. If you're planning a pirate-themed party or need fun sensory bin fillers, these are perfect. They add a festive atmosphere to any event and are great for treasure hunts or as party favors. What people say. The multicolor design is vibrant and eye-catching. The personalized aspect makes it a unique gift. The garage sign is well-made and durable. Number 2. LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Cyber Drone 31111. Get ready for endless adventures with this incredible building set. You can build a cool cyber drone, a powerful cyber mech, or a speedy cyber scooter. Take to the skies in the cyber drone. It features adjustable thrusters, a posable tail, and a cockpit with a windshield that opens for easy access. Kids aged 6 and up can embark on exciting space journeys. Travel through the stars in the drone, or race across the ground with the mech or scooter. Include the cool robot minifigure with its transparent blue head. It can join your creations for even more action-packed stories and battles. This set offers 3 fantastic space toy models to build and rebuild. Let your imagination run wild as you create your own epic tales. Discover other amazing LEGO Creator 3-in-1 sets like the Sunken Treasure Mission, Race Car Transporter, Superbike, and Surfer Beach House. What we like. This set offers 3 exciting models in one: a cyber drone, cyber mech, and cyber scooter. If you love building an imaginative play with a space theme, this is fantastic. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up who enjoy creating their own action-packed stories. What people say. The multicolor design is vibrant and eye-catching. The personalized aspect makes it a unique gift. It's a great conversation starter and adds a fun touch to any space. Number 1. Custom metal name sign. Add a personal touch to your home with our custom metal name sign. It's a beautiful way to showcase your family's name. This split-letter monogram design is a classic and elegant choice. It adds a unique focal point to any wall. Crafted from heavy-duty, premium-quality steel, this sign is built to last. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Featuring a weather-resistant powder-coated finish, it can withstand the elements. Enjoy its beauty for years to come. Looking for a memorable gift? This makes the perfect present for weddings, anniversaries, or housewarmings. Proudly made in Michigan using all U.S.-sourced materials. You're supporting quality craftsmanship with your purchase. Choose from a variety of sizes to fit your space perfectly. It's versatile decor for any room or outdoor area. What we like. This custom metal sign is crafted from premium, weather-resistant steel. If you're looking for a personalized and durable decor piece for your home, inside or out, this is an excellent option. It makes a perfect gift for weddings, anniversaries, or housewarmings. What people say. The multicolor design is vibrant and eye-catching. The personalized aspect makes it a unique gift. The garage sign is well-made and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.